Hello, this is Henan Fitake Food. We are professional producing the dehydrated garlic, ginger, and onion and other dried vegetables and fruits. And today we will show you one of our featured product, garlic granules. As you can see, this is the garlic granules. This fineness is about 40 mesh. The garlic granules is made from Henan and Shandong high quality raw garlic, and its processing is by selected peeling, washing, drying, and selection. The color of the garlic granules is bright and slight yellow, without any black spots. The moisture content is less than 8%. The shelf life of it is 24 months. The microbiological testing is quality. No any food additives, no any pesticide residues, no preservative. It's very healthy and safe.